Hello, my people. How na day? Before I come out, I say me I just quick do this video. I dey watch Mama na Mama just now. If they talk about a baby papa, which is Ukwa, where they say you can't they talk, can't they nyanapata for live video, they insult what they not even call and put. Now he just puts all this thing for a body. Okay. I said they watch this video where they say Mama na Mama they do before Mama na Mama they do this video. He said this one are the last video where go do for now, which I was like, okay, you do and where, because no woman will hear all that nyama thing when they insult the baby where be say newly born, we not go talk, okay? And she just talk, she just able talk and say this is the last video. Before na Mama end the video, now Odafewidon call put for inside. Hey, my people, Odafewidon call put for inside. Who call am? Nobody call am. He can't they do innocenti. It's okay. This one, the other one. He go they like do say he want settle issue. Odafewidon, where your children? The one where you don't live. We know what you they do. Or you just by call Mama na Mama. Why you call am for live video? Why you not call am for his house? Why you not call am for inside house? My sister, Mama na Mama, no for put for any trap. This person will call you, Now one of them will be say no, they take care of pikin. You know they take care, get 2 children, 2 big children. Where be say no, they take care of. He just by call you because of he want to do it that day. OVJ, if you not see money, what you want to do with your money, not give am. If you not see anything you want to do, if you carry and go Nigeria, you see all those people where they do beggar. If you dash them, they pray for you. God bless the woman where bring this money come. May God bless you. It will never run dry. You hear my sister? No mind this of your hand of your hukona. Now the same thing. Now it still be. He not care about those children. He just by call you can they do. I go call am. I go call Lukwa. Now you don't see I say no kwa. Now my mama say you don't know one. He said now omo man. Hey Jesus Christ. He said now omo man. Mama say you don't know, and then they say you don't know. That's why they talk say know everybody. You don't know anybody. Just say I want to belong group. I'll tell you ya masi ekegbe because vajawu itakwen. Vaje gboni yawu na sikegbe. You understand? I know am. I go try make I call am. I go try make I call am. That one so man yoka. O man no gbe na there na this one person will stay with somebody for 16 years. You want to say no no. Mama na Mama describe by no as e be. Isi oluku riegbe we la wa no ya gba omo ori okwere you will still throw away pikin cause they talk it's okay. Now you want to talk and say it's okay. You don't feel ready talking for a video say this is the last video where she go do. Don't be you want to tell and say on akpa wa say abe enter house no gi o ene. E ma be agwen si oluku still come out omo men no enenemi yan call. Why you not come Mama na Mama the time we never call live video? Why you not find a phone number may take call the Ukwa? Umatie, you notice me, you want call. Now my sister, yes, I did this. Who ask you all those nonsense where you can't able to talk for inside them? Since I did this video, I celebrate you where you born, no? He go call and do my people. I said the listing. I was forced to write for that live video. Because if me I did for live video person, I don't want me I did write. I just the listing. I don't want me I insult anybody. I was forced to reply Isi Oluku, go and take care of your children. I was forced. I say, you must still this one. I celebrate you when you born. Now Mama na Mama say, I still come under your comment section, come say thank you. You know what they do, not let her. My sister, Mama na Mama, go straight to what you are doing. Then it's okay. It's okay because it provoke you. Everybody see and for media say, you know, you will not get issue. Now you carry yourself come. You see, say many people not agree enter the issue because we just want may we leave you. May you no see even of it, no ya home. You don't still say you know they do it, good and fine. Not be the one way you see your local can't talk. Make all the things say now you can't tell and say don't do. Oh, go change it, bambana. Thank God say Mama na Mama talk before you finish the video, before you see your local even call say you talk and say this will be the last video because many people don't they call and say you know what ya work banner. You go here, you start tell the how you say mo you don't see a live video, mo you don't tell my way okboku oni say it just starts. I know I celebrate you because of waiting you put for ground where you want to it will never back for you. Okonu see a venya bungbi. Me, I be number 1 for you. In your bungbi, I will work it to my own, I go destroy you. Odafewidon. Who were that son? You dey learn. Egbanwe. Because why? They do underground. So now they can call carry phone, call mama na mama. And I can celebrate you. I celebrate you. You understand? You know what it do. All these people now they try to they use people head. Before that one tell and say, I thank you for under comment section. Useless man will not they take care of your pikin. Go and take care of your 2 children. They don't grow finish. You say you want to do your death day. Who care about your death day? Who care? And one more go kind. Pikin, where are they? Will your children be there with you when you are doing your death day? No, they will not be there. So person like me or person like other people, they'll come carry their leg, they'll come go say they want go eat. If you women they want go eat for them. Me, I don't understand. Come on, enter his house, may you with a widow go they eat why are you where you cook doni? Or where you wife cook. Food where pikin no eat, make doctor time one go sit down, one go do waiting. Chair lady, come sit down, come they chop. Your own pikin where you born, they are not there. Now let the one where be say, the one where put you for house, born. Now they there. Ekbere already on it, not the enter truth. Yama. It's all wrong. Quick. I want to come. I've said it, yo. You want the Madrid. He's hello, boy. Now so I see talk for this our brother where they Holland. Now I say, bros, just the wrong they go. I quit now. Hey, Bama, you see your look what Odafewidon. He say no, and not yet it just starts with no sense when you say nobody wants to associate with you. Why? Because they know the kind of person will be. Person will go near you, go destroy your home. That's why you just sit up for that one. Where be say that our brother give Ebony house. I don't want to rule Ladia because if they find house we want to do orphanage. He can't talk down that one and now say, brother. What to lemu? I believe say that one wrong. He carry a chew for leg. On have your bona rule here. Eh, ya see where my sister. He just know what they do. He just by call you, make can tell you say, be how we death day okay. My sister, mami ni jigo ni jahu, mami ni jahu. Vio game and rain in Nigeria. Yeah, thank you, mama. Thank you. God bless you. I mean, man, watch you when you if now because of say now that one, because of that one, I call you because he want to tell you say I celebrate you. Oginye the day, ye how that day, ye maseti ba or more, but ye am go ni here celebrated that day or here. Nyama person. My people, I just did the live video. Not be saying now wait till they tell me. I write for this. Ya ba or more, no feel or more. Go and take care of your children. So many men, I saw them be like this. This is your look. They know they take care of their own. They call they like if you pay your money, then call you for this ukwao. Yamatie wejo. About the way you see, and you know the time and then no, you know what call a live video now well or what say. You know what they do, and that woman don't ready to say now this one now go do last. Just less set of men. When they know the shame, they'll call the say, do a bomb a day. You know, fit board day. Now, another person now you want go board day. Oh, one more man, he not celebrating where you name your there, this one enter house. We can't describe woman, because woman where be say, do ije, on our beg, now this live video now we foresee, you will call the claim, say him not better person. Who you want claim for? Who you better pass? You not better, you not good. Where what worst is say, and you go they claim say you good. Now people will not know you, now go they think say this person na better person. You go say you get one video say a platform, when he down, one a platform when I yatie a who be again, no yatie a widow we be again. No ya different things. Now your platform be take it or leave it. People just they look you because of saying maybe they want when they see that your nyama face. So they call in. Who call you for? They come and get inside. I'm going to vabia go be you are. Who or the benuka or more done or je whether je wije. No matter if they bow or more. Now you want to tell and say he don't do. He say no. What's the man calling no be? Why you not call the man? You see there. That's all that they do. They often come and outside. Come they humiliate you. And you when you at here. Oh you want call? You see you say you know. He say oh woman. He said, you don't know one way here. Ew! I claim me. People when they hear their name, I know them. I know this one. I know the other one. They don't know you. You know that they don't know you. Can you imagine? You say you know person. The person say no know you. What a shame, man. Wanna help me share this video? Ajepkako no feel mokwa. Nyama way, not the shame. I celebrate you. If you celebrate